Yo, this is Midas, and this is my first video on the crypto MidasVault. Today, I'll be talking to you about Ondo, also known as Ondo Finance. So, disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to do your own research. So, first of all, what is Ondo Finance? Ondo is the company looking to bring institutional grade finance on chain. Some of the current products they offer is USDY, which is another stablecoin, a USD pegged stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, and OUSG, which is used for tokenizing US treasuries. I believe in the future potential of Ondo Finance is, well, RWAs, real world assets, can be found in real estate, commodities, works of art, and intellectual properties. And think of all these real world assets and how they could be injected into the blockchain ecosystem or be created on chain. So, for example, let's say you have a piece of property in New York that's worth $1 million. Break up that property into smaller, cheaper tokens that anyone can buy, trade, or keep. And that's exactly what the mission of Ondo Finance is trying to do. Now, for the bull case for Ondo Finance, first of all, the real world asset industry is one of the top growing industries of crypto, along with AI and gaming. And I can see it being at the tops of different ranks for its respective real world asset sector for crypto, Ondo Finance. Trump also backed World Liberty Financials by investing 250K USD worth of Ondo on December 15th. They also have a very strong team where Justin, the president, worked as the head of digital asset markets at Goldman Sachs. Ian was a partner, the head of digital assets at McKinsey. And Kevin was the staff product manager at Phantom Wallet, where Phantom Wallet is one of the most popular Solana wallets on the Solana ecosystem. I found this graph off of the Ondo Finance Reddit, but I think it really encapsulates the potential of Paul Atkins being the new SEC chair. So Paul Atkins worked as an SEC commissioner, but now he works and Securitize, which is another real world asset firm looking to bring real world assets on chain into Web3. And Securitize is also working with BlackRock, where BlackRock has created a crypto fund called Buildel. And Ondo Finance, where Ondo Finance comes into all of this, is that Ondo Finance is also working with Securitize because they're both in the real world asset space, looking to bring real world assets on chain, as well as Buildel and Ondo Finance have a partnership where BlackRock is buying some of the USDY off of Ondo Finance to bring it into their Buildel fund. So this just comes full circle how Paul Atkins influences Securitize, where Securitize will influence Ondo Finance, and BlackRock also has a partnership with Ondo Finance where it all links together, and Ondo Finance is bringing that real world assets on chain. Now, for Ondo Finance's future milestones, we know that there's going to be a Binance listing as Ondo has been buying Ondo these last few months, and I anticipate a listing in January after the token unlock to pump back the price after it's so short-sighted when the token unlock happens. They also have their Wallstreet 2.0 Ondo Summit, where I believe they plan to release other assets that they plan to tokenize on chain, and that'll be happening on February 6th, 2025. And finally, we also know that they have a January 18th token unlock. I know there's been some FUD about whether the token unlock is going to be a long or all at once, 1 billion token all at once, or linear unlock. And from what I can research, whatever I researched, it's going to be a linear unlock. So this is taken from CoinMarketCap, but on the token unlock, so we can see that it has private sales, protocol development, community access sales, ecosystem growth. This was taken from last year's token unlock. But from this graph, this is a linear unlock. You can take a closer look on the CoinMarketCap website. And this is how it's going to be for the January 18th and the 2025 unlock until 2026. We have private sales, ecosystem growth, and protocol development. and it will be released in stages. So I believe it's like 1 billion first, another billion, and then it will just keep going on and on, but it will be a linear unlock and it won't just be all at once to just crash the market of Ondo Finance. I also want to emphasize that even though Ondo Finance may dip in price in the short term, I think this is all short-term speculation because if you look at Sui or Solana, both of these coins had pretty bad token unlocks, and yet they both pumped in the bull run. And even during bull runs, usually token unlocks don't mean much when a lot of people are just putting more liquidity into the crypto market. Now, finally, for the price targets, I forgot to add the current price here, but last time I checked in the morning, it was around $1.70 USD. Might have been lower because right now this is like a lot of fun from the FED affecting the crypto markets, and we've just been in a downturn. But I think it's just a correction for us. It sits at a current market cap of 2.6 billion USD. And for the projected price target of end of year 2025 would be, or I believe is going to be 20 plus. And that would bring it to a projected market cap of end of year 2025 being in that top 20 space of 20 billion plus. That's all I have for today. I will catch you guys in the next video.